Few days ago a video popped up in my feed with some guy that got an internship at Google. And of course, instead of wasting any time, he started recording video material even before he clocked in on the first day. So folks, this is the new gold standard. Less coding, more recording. You do lead code to get hired, I do lead code to generate brain rot content. Showing someone what type of headset they gave you on your first day at Amazon is peak 2024 content. It does not get any better, and I mean it. I wanna watch you unbox the Logitech mouse and keyboard. We need to know, did they ask you if you want a Mac or a ThinkPad? This is all relevant. Show us the coffee machine. I'm highly interested in which coffee beans is the Google office in Boulder, Colorado using. Let's see how the water dispenser looks like in Warsaw, Poland. When is your lunch break? Do they have a vegan option? Yes, they do have. Do you get paper straws? You get paper straws, right? Let's watch hours of someone setting up his email account and requesting permissions for SharePoint. Why should I go read the introduction to C when I can watch someone sitting in his daily laughing at the jokes of his boss? Guys, anyone trying to get an internship in a FAANG company or any company for that reason should already have a blueprint of the content they want to upload on YouTube. I'm telling you, if you don't have already 6 months of content scheduled before you even got hired, you are missing out. You are not serious about the grind. I mean, it's even a category like FAANGfluencers. So besides practicing lead code, start practicing talking in front of the camera. Imagine you get a job and then you realize your camera is not ready to go. This is the new meta. You need to have ready to go content for all stages of employment. Before you get the job, while you're at the job, and then when they fire you. Crying in front of the camera for strangers on the internet is the most productive thing you can do. It triggers the algorithm harder than the guys building water slides in the forest. Make a video with a title, "Why I quit my 7-figure job at Facebook," or "Why working at Google sucks." You are the true victim. Poor dude worked in an office for 30 racks a month. Bro, like, give me your PayPal or Venmo or whatever and let me provide you some financial support. Now you're thinking, but Tariq, I first need to get a job to do all of this. But do you really? I mean, who's stopping you from pretending that you actually got hired by Microsoft? Just grab the camera and say you are ready to share all the secrets about the stages of the hiring process. Is anyone fact-checking that? Is anyone fact-checking anything anymore? Who is the fact-checking instance in this simulation? Who is checking this? I mean, we live in a time where you can just wake up in the morning, go buy a coffee somewhere, set up your tripod, open your laptop and start recording yourself. Say how much money you earn. Feel free to make numbers up. Like, my starting salary is $27,000 per month. Say something crazy high and then follow up with, even though it sounds like a lot, it isn't. Act like it's peanuts. Say, I'm not a big spender, I live in a one-room apartment and sleep on a mattress that I found behind the dumpster. Folks, I'm telling you, this is the new meta. Dudes in their mid-30s crying in the car. One day earning 300k a year, the next day sleeping under a bridge. Recording a coding challenge in a Burger King parking lot. Making videos where you give advice like, learn C. It's like someone asks you, how can I get in shape? And you tell them, train. Per se, it's not wrong advice, but it's so generic that it's useless. There is zero practical value in watching it. It's worse than Joker 2. Do you have any other profession where you have a category of influencers that brag about how they got hired? And then people cry because they can't get a job even they did the same 50 coding problems like some dude on the internet who apparently now works for SpaceX. Now go grab a camera and start your software engineering journey. So that's it for today. If you like the content, hit like and subscribe and see you in the next one. Tariq 10X.